So a few weeks ago, I talked about the Doogee S41, and now Doogee has announced and I think has released the S41 Pro, the Pro version of the S41. In terms of design, both devices are homogeneous. They have the same design, and in terms of specs, there are some differences that I'll point out for you guys. So the S41 and the Pro version are available in 3 different colors: vibrant green, volcano orange, and classic black. Both devices have the same display, a 5.5-inch HD Plus display that is protected with an unspecified Gorilla Glass. Both devices are powered by the Helio A22 chip. The S41 utilizes 3 gigs of RAM and there is 16 gigabytes onboard storage, while the Pro version is equipped with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 GB internal storage. So as you can see, the Pro version has a bigger RAM and a bigger internal storage than the S41. So both devices are equipped with triple rear cameras. The S41 features an 8 megapixel primary camera and 2 additional 2MP cameras, while the Pro version features a 13 megapixel primary camera and 2 additional 2 megapixel cameras. And at the front there is an 8 megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. Both devices are powered by a 6300 mAh battery. I don't think they support fast charging. They ship with the Android 12 OS. They support Bluetooth 5.0. They are both rated IP68 and IP69K. Pro version supports NFC. There is 3.5mm headphone jack on both devices, and according to Doogee, both devices could be able to survive a 1.8 meter drop. Do not forget that I mentioned that both devices are rated IP68. That means that they are water and dust resistant. If you want to find out more details about the S41 series, make sure to check out Doogee's official website or check AliExpress. Anyway, what do you think about the Doogee S41 series? Share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.